Unlock your day, the ultimate guide to a healthy and nutritious breakfast. Are you ready to transform your mornings and supercharge your day? Discover the secrets to crafting the perfect breakfast that fuels your body and mind for peak performance. Let's dive in. Breakfast isn't just a meal, it's the foundation upon which you build your entire day. Think of it as the initial spark that ignites your energy and sets the stage for success. It provides the essential fuel your body and brain desperately need after a night of rest. This fuel is crucial for optimal function and performance throughout the morning. Skipping breakfast can lead to a cascade of negative effects that impact your productivity and well-being. Don't underestimate the power of this morning ritual. One of the most common consequences of skipping breakfast is fatigue. Your body lacks the energy it needs, leaving you feeling sluggish and drained. Difficulty concentrating is another significant drawback. Your brain needs fuel to focus, and without breakfast, it struggles to perform at its best. Unhealthy snack cravings often arise when you skip breakfast. Your body craves quick energy, leading you to reach for sugary or processed foods. A well-balanced breakfast offers a multitude of benefits that extend far beyond simply satisfying your hunger. It's an investment in your overall health and well-being. It plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. This helps prevent energy crashes and keeps you feeling stable and energized throughout the morning. By providing sustained energy, a healthy breakfast prevents those dreaded energy crashes that can derail your productivity. Say goodbye to mid-morning slumps. Regulating blood sugar also reduces irritability. When your blood sugar is stable, you're less likely to experience mood swings and feel on edge. A nutritious breakfast significantly improves cognitive function. It provides the brain with the fuel it needs to think clearly and efficiently. Enhanced focus is a direct result of a well-nourished brain. You'll find it easier to concentrate on tasks and stay on track throughout the morning. Memory is also boosted by a healthy breakfast. The brain needs energy to encode and retrieve information, and breakfast provides that crucial fuel. Improved problem-solving abilities are another benefit. A well-fed brain is better equipped to tackle challenges and find creative solutions. A healthy breakfast is often linked to healthier weight management. It helps control appetite and prevents overeating later in the day. By providing a sense of fullness and satisfaction, breakfast helps control your appetite. You're less likely to feel hungry and crave unhealthy snacks. Preventing overeating is a key benefit. When you start your day with a nutritious meal, you're less likely to overindulge at lunch or later in the evening. Crafting the perfect breakfast involves understanding the key components that contribute to its nutritional value and overall effectiveness. It's all about balance and nutrient density. Prioritize nutrient-dense foods that provide a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These foods offer the most nutritional bang for your buck. A combination of complex carbohydrates is essential for sustained energy. These carbs break down slowly, providing a steady stream of fuel for your body and brain. Protein is another crucial component. It helps you feel full and satisfied, preventing cravings and supporting muscle repair. Healthy fats are also important for brain health and overall well-being. They contribute to hormone production and help you absorb essential nutrients. Complex carbohydrates provide sustained energy that lasts throughout the morning. This prevents energy crashes and keeps you feeling focused and alert. Examples of complex carbohydrates include whole grain bread. Choose whole grain options over refined white bread for a healthier start to your day. Oatmeal is another excellent source of complex carbohydrates. It's packed with fibre and provides a slow-releasing source of energy. Fruits are also a great addition to your breakfast. They provide vitamins, minerals, and natural sugars for a quick energy boost. Protein keeps you feeling full and satisfied, preventing cravings and supporting muscle repair. It's an essential component of a healthy breakfast. Protein supports muscle repair and growth, making it particularly important for active individuals. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels. Healthy fats contribute to brain health and overall well-being. They support hormone production and help you absorb essential nutrients. Healthy fats contribute to overall well-being by supporting various bodily functions. They're an important part of a balanced diet. Now that you understand the importance and components of a healthy breakfast, let's explore some practical tips and examples to help you create your own morning masterpiece. Avoid sugary cereals, pastries, and processed foods. These options are often high in sugar and unhealthy fats, leading to energy crashes and cravings. Preparing meals the night before saves time and ensures you have a healthy breakfast ready to go. This is a great strategy for busy mornings. Example breakfast ideas. Oatmeal with berries and nuts, a classic combination of complex carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. Whole grain toast with avocado and egg, a savoury and satisfying option that provides sustained energy and essential nutrients. Greek yogurt with fruit and granola, a quick and easy breakfast that's packed with protein and fibre. Smoothie with spinach, banana, protein powder and almond milk, a convenient way to get a boost of nutrients and energy on the go. Breakfast burrito with whole wheat tortilla, eggs, black beans and salsa, a hearty and flavourful option that will keep you feeling full for hours. Tips for success. Plan ahead. Take some time each week to plan your breakfasts and make sure you have the necessary ingredients on hand. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate things. Choose a few simple and healthy breakfast options that you enjoy and rotate them throughout the week. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how different breakfasts make you feel and adjust your choices accordingly. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try new recipes and combinations to find what works best for you. Make it a habit. Consistency is key. Aim to eat a healthy breakfast every day to reap the full benefits. By following these tips and incorporating the principles outlined in this guide, you can transform your mornings and unlock your full potential. Remember, breakfast is the cornerstone of a productive and healthy day. You now have the knowledge and tools to create a healthy and nutritious breakfast that will fuel your body and mind for peak performance. It's time to take action and make breakfast a priority in your daily routine. Don't let another day go by without experiencing the transformative power of a well-balanced breakfast. Start experimenting with different recipes and find what works best for you. Here's your call to action. Plan your breakfast for tomorrow. Choose one of the example breakfast ideas or create your own based on the principles outlined in this guide. A healthy and nutritious breakfast fuels your body for the day ahead. It should include a balance of protein, fibre and healthy fats to keep you energised and full. Good options include oatmeal with fruits and nuts, Greek yogurt with honey and seeds, whole grain toast with avocado, or eggs with vegetables. Drinking water or a smoothie with natural ingredients can also boost hydration and nutrition. A well-balanced breakfast improves metabolism, concentration, and overall health. Share this video with a friend or family member. Help them unlock their potential by sharing the benefits of a healthy breakfast. Subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Stay informed and inspired to live your healthiest life. Leave a comment below and tell us your favourite healthy breakfast recipe. We'd love to hear your ideas and learn from your experiences. Start your day right, fuel your potential, and unlock a healthier, more productive you. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.